What's happening today, YouTube? Back with another one. BWI to ATXF, the channel, and we got a chest mount today. I'm gonna swap out this this intake elbow for the Toms. I got this for a good price, and I've always been eyeing it. Nothing's wrong with this one. It's already actually sold, but I want it long term. So we're gonna start off by getting access. So these are forget what kind of clamps these are, but we're just gonna get some access to it. Yeah, I'll get wide angle on here, so we're just gonna pop these in. That's how you release it. And I got some replacements on here too. It's in this corner. And these small ones, pop that out. Of course, I dropped what I wasn't trying to do. Anyway, these are kind of going to spring out like that. So just kind of secure it before we do that. Damn, I'm losing everything. All right, we got this out. Put this over here without stepping on him. Hello, man is in here with one of his grandmothers, so if you hear him, that's why. All right, here's another clip. Try not to lose this one. And this is gonna be a 10 right here. We're gonna take that out. All right, now that's done, we're gonna try to start working this way out. You might need to get this a little looser right here. Crank that out a little bit. Up. It's moving. Golly, man. Like I said, that should not have taken that long. But here we are. Y'all know how it is. All right. So now we got the new Tom's elbow with the coupler. So let's give it a little bit more slack. Where you can bolt right down to tighten and loosen. I'm gonna keep it this side so I can reach right down instead, so I ain't gotta hopefully worry about removing that. The throttle body is gonna be the hardest to get on, so you need a little bit more wiggle room than getting it on the intake box. So start at the bottom, kind of rotate it on. All right, that's on there. Got it on the throttle body right here. That's the hardest part. And we're just trying to finagle our way on this. The coupler, I'm taking a trim removal tool just to kind of push this through. That way I don't poke it with like a screwdriver. Yep. I'm trying to get that to poke. There we go. All right. Notice how that just kind of seated. So, move that out the way. Wiggle this on. CVAP on. Yeah, I'm gonna look into changing these lines. They are stiff as hell. Well, if y'all heard that back crack, but yeah, body getting old, man. All right, that's on there. And this is over the tube. Yeah, and these little clamps, they kind of tacky anyway. I ain't putting power on that. That's recipe for disaster right there. Yeah. Not too tight, not too loose. Nothing else left to do but put everything back. I probably should have used this time to clean out the K&N filter, but it's all good. Get back to it. So that's it, I'm all installed. Like I said on the video, I'm gonna have to look at these evap lines. They're very brittle. It is a 10-year-old car, but I digress all the way. The elbow is fully installed. I went ahead and hit it with some SiO2 ceramic detailer just to give it a little bit of coating. It's not going to be exposed to UV rays and stuff, but it is going to be for heat. Let's make it shiny, keep it shiny and long lasting. Got everything in, and the engine bay is looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. I got some more stuff on the way. We'll see where that is in due time. So it's been another episode of BWI to ATXF, the channel. Go ahead and like, subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate all y'all support through the years, and I will catch y'all next time.